Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In today's video, we will be exploring the fascinating concept of problem-based learning. Problem-based learning is an innovative approach to education that puts the student at the center of their own learning journey. Unlike traditional teacher-centered classroom, problem-based learning flips the script and empowers students to actively tackle real-world problems, applying critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Through problem-based learning, students are presented with authentic, complex, and open-ended challenges that tap into their curiosity and require collaboration. They are encouraged to explore various resources, conduct research, and collaborate with peers to generate solutions. This hands-on experience not only deepens their subject knowledge but also nurtures essential skills like teamwork, communication, creativity, and adaptability. Let's talk about advantages of problem-based learning. The advantages are countless, captivating both educators and students alike. Firstly, problem-based learning fosters a deep understanding of the subject matter, as students are actively engaged and motivated to seek out knowledge. Furthermore, problem-solving learning stimulates critical thinking skills, enabling students to analyze information, identify patterns, and develop well-rounded problem-solving strategies. Let's discuss some application of problem-based learning. With its versatility, problem-based learning can be applied across various educational settings, from primary schools to universities and even in professional training programs. Science classroom, for example, can employ PBL to investigate real-world environmental issues, allowing students to become scientists in their own right, exploring solutions for climate change or biodiversity loss. Similarly, in social sciences class, problem-based learning can be used to analyze historical events or examine social problems, enabling students to connect theories to practical scenarios and gain a deeper understanding of society complexities. Even in medical schools, PBL is highly valued as it prepares future doctors to identify and address complex patient issues by stimulating real-life scenarios. By using problem-based learning, medical students develop critical skills needed to diagnose and treat patients effectively. Let me give you some examples of problem-based learning. Consider in a high school biology class, student could be given the task of designing a sustainable ecosystem within a limited space, considering factors like energy flow, biodiversity, and population dynamics. Similarly, in a university engineering course, students may be challenged to develop a creative solution for a specific real-world problem, such as designing a more efficient renewable energy source or an innovative transportation system. Another engaging example could be seen in an elementary school's mathematics class, where students dive into the world of geometry by collaborating on a project that involves designing and building scale models of famous architectural landmarks. In conclusion, problem-based learning fosters critical thinking, collaboration skills, and subject knowledge while empowering students to become active agents of their own learning. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.